Today I will show you how to make a simple hair brush. First select black color and then go to brush library and then select charcoals, then select wine charcoal. And then next make random dots with the size 10 to 15 and then you should make it big and small and sometimes light dots. Okay, and then next create a new layer and fill it with white and then move it under the dot layer, then merge them. After that, drag with 3 fingers down and then click copy. Okay. Next open brush library, then click plus button and then select shape, edit, import and then paste. And then use 2 fingers double click and then the background will change to black. Then we will adjust the brush. Next, this step is depend on you. Go to stroke path and then spacing is 0%. Stabilization amount set to 20%. And then taper. Adjust the pressure taper like in the video and the size adjust to 60%. Okay, rendering, select uniform grace. And then wet mix, adjust chart, attach and pull like in the video. Okay, and then select about this brush and put the name, then click done. And then test the new hairbrush. And this is my examples. I use my new hairbrush.